I got through, first day back at work, it's the evening, I've succeeded, it felt like the first day of school. I hope you're all doing well. Happy New Year, and let's get right on with the video. Guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well today. So, welcome. A lot of newness going on. I am going to be having a new backdrop soon. I'm in the midst of a lot of change right now, but I did want to make sure that I at least do an upload. It's been a very long time, and thanks for your patience, you guys commenting, still subscribing and everything while I've been kind of hiatus. Super appreciate it. Lush sales are always one of the biggest things every single year, and usually they're on Boxing Day. This year was totally different. It actually started in stores in Boxing Day, but actually began on the 28th or the 29th. I forget exactly which day it was on, but it began at 8:30 AM. Never actually gained access to the site. I've never succeeded. I've never actually benefited from the Boxing Day Lush sale. This is a super chilled video. This is something that I've never done before on my channel, reviewing Lush, I don't think. I've got a huge box here. Things that I've ordered, and I wanted to go through them with you guys. I did actually have a kind of that's a Raven moment. These may not always be available, and they probably aren't available now. Who the hell is gonna wanna watch this? If you have clicked on it and you're this far, I appreciate it. Hopefully it has some relevancy. Obviously things like Snow Fairy, Yognog, things like that are gonna make a comeback every year. So if this is at the end of 2021 or whatever, and you guys are watching this in the future, hey, I hope it was a better year than I'm thinking it's gonna be. Got a mixture of kind of things. I wanted to really stock up on shower gels, which is probably one of the biggest things I'm obsessed with. Number one in the products that I chose is Snow Fairy. To any classic Lush fan, this is it's a classic. It smells like super citrusy, marshmallowy, bubblegummy, like the typical Lush smell whenever you go into a store. I'm not going to spend too long on that. Next, it's called Yognog. Maple syrup, clove, ylang ylang, almond oil, and as I remember this one, I've got a teeny bit left. I had like the 100 ml version. This just smells like Christmas to me. I've actually got the body spray, and it's one of the most used things I think I've ever bought from Lush, ever. I got it really kind of November time last year, and it's still lasting me now, and people know me for that around Christmas time, so it's a really special fragrance to me. Immediately I had the Queen song get into my head. Palm oil and SLS free. I am noticing that they're using less sodium lauryl sulfate, which is a awesome addition. Safflower, fine sea salt, grapefruit, bergamot, almond, fresh lemon, fig. Got me with a fig, and something really citrusy. This is definitely more my partner's vibe, and I pretty much got that for his benefit. But like with anything, I'm allowed to steal stuff back as well. Again, this has a really like a lemon sherbet fragrance to it, but warmer and deep. Again, a very typical bath bomb Lush smell. So if anyone's ever gifted you like a regular bath bomb, which isn't like seasonal or anything like that, more than likely if it's citrusy, it's probably this fragrance. It smells really nice. I did go for the larger ones for these shower gels just because I like the way they look. I think they're really smart, and actually they last a really long time, and that's even for like 100 or 250 ml variants. So I'm excited to see how long these will last. And then finally, a new one called, it has chestnut puree, almond essential oil, clary sage, cedar wood. Literally smells like marzipan. So if that is your vibe, loads of these are ones, if I'm correct, yeah, they definitely, if they squish kind of like that, yeah, and if they smell like kind of corn chips, crisps, wherever you're from, you can actually put those in the sink, run either cold or warm water on it, and they will literally just dissolve. Right, so this is one of the gift sets that I got. Snowman Dreaming Bath Bomb. This smells like lavender, citrus, super fresh. I want a hippopotamus for Christmas bath bomb. A raspberry fragrance and popping candy. This kind of smells like the Sleepy range they do. So very calming, very kind of oaty, and yeah, definitely like a blueberry fragrance. This one is TikTok. Take a peek behind the curtain and see magic happen with our very own Lush robot. Will pop and fizz across your orange waters, leaving happy faces. Sunny D. Smells like a supermarket own bought Barocca competitor fizzy effervescent tablet thing. It's the best way that I can sum it up, honestly. Butter Bear Bath Bomb. ylang ylang oil and coconut butter. It smells really nice. I get it, they're really, really eco-friendly, but they end up smelling like each other, which is a reminder that we are the company we keep, so be careful this year with who you're with. It's a really nice gift set. I paid, all of these were like half price, £7, pretty good. Angel's Delight. It's literally like orange oil, really calming, slightly musky. Oh, nice. And these were not expensive at all. £4.30 for 3. So, really, really, really good. Jingle Bells. While I'm reading the notes, when are you guys taking decorations down? It's currently evening on the 4th. The 4th of January. It's usually bad luck, they say, if you do it anything after the 6th of January. However, I did that last year and look at what happened. I think this year I'm going to keep it up a little longer. What about you guys? Make sure to leave a little comment down below and let me know. And also thank you if you're still here. Right, Jingle Bells. Sleigh all day with orange and patchouli. Very, very, very earthy. If anyone here watching is not like fully into their adult life and you have parents, guardians or friends a lot older, mention patchouli oil and more than likely they'll always have a reaction. I've got a fully formed bear. Sugar plum. Got 3 of these. I can't really see those being a shower gel. One of these. Very shampoo bar. And this is a really, really special one. The only other shampoo bars I've ever tried is the blue kind of oceanic one for fine hair with sea salt and the like stimulating cinnamon one. Biggest things for me for savings is the shower gels. And with the formulas being a lot better now in terms of using a lot less things like SLS, you know, this is a different kind of Lush products that I'm used to even like a year ago, which definitely did have those ingredients. So Lush, if you are watching, I really, really do appreciate changing the formulas like that. It makes it kind of a no-brainer for me to actually be interested in all of the range, as opposed to just the bath bombs. I'm gonna keep it really short. I hope I've done that. And yeah, I'm really, really excited to hear what you guys have tried yourselves, what you think of the new range of products that you think you're going to be into and treating yourself over this next few months or whatever. And as always, thank you so much for watching. If you are interested, I would love if you would join the family and subscribe. If not, just drop it a little like, drop a comment, drop a dislike, let me know, and I will see you all in the next video. Happy New Year's and look after yourselves. Bye.